Hisense Smart TV apps not working. When apps stop working on a Hisense Smart TV, it can be due to various issues such as network problems, outdated software, or app glitches. Users may experience apps crashing, freezing, or failing to load properly. Identifying the root cause and following troubleshooting steps can help restore app functionality. Common solutions include checking the internet connection, updating software, and clearing app cache. 1. Checking internet connection and network settings. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the main reasons apps stop working. To check the connection, go to the TV's network settings and ensure Wi-Fi or Ethernet is properly connected. Restarting the router and reconnecting the TV to the network can help fix connectivity issues. Running a speed test can also determine if the internet is fast enough for streaming services. 2. Updating the TV software and apps. Outdated software can cause apps to malfunction. To check for system updates, go to the TV settings and look for the software update option. If an update is available, install it to ensure the TV runs the latest firmware. Similarly, updating individual apps through the App Store can fix bugs and improve performance. If an app is still not working, uninstalling and reinstalling it may resolve the issue. 3. Clearing cache and resetting the TV. App cache and temporary data can sometimes cause apps to freeze or crash. Clearing cache from the TV settings can free up space and improve performance. If the issue persists, restarting the TV or performing a soft reset can help. As a last resort, performing a factory reset can restore the TV to its default settings, removing any corrupted files or system errors. 4th, checking app compatibility and server issues. Some apps may not be supported on certain Hisense TV models or may require specific software versions to function properly. Checking the App Store or Hisense website for compatibility information can help. Additionally, if a particular app is down, it could be due to server issues from the app provider. In this case, waiting for the service to be restored or checking online for outage reports may be necessary. When apps stop working on a Hisense Smart TV, troubleshooting steps such as checking the network, updating software, and clearing cache can help resolve most issues. If problems persist, resetting the TV or verifying app compatibility may be required. Taking these steps ensures a smooth and uninterrupted smart TV experience.